So Ashutosh, maybe
Yeah,
a great segue here. Before we get into the details, into
yeah,
how your team helped solve those challenges that Donovan described, let's talk about the platform itself, right? What makes it different? What does it bring to the table?
absolutely, Oliver. A great place to start. Acom isn't a traditional AI platform. It's an AI native workflow orchestrator platform, where many platform stops at APIs and data pipelines. Acom goes with a step further with what we call the AI thinking layer, right? An orchestration layer that understands the context and the intent, not just the data movement. Now, what makes Acom stand apart? If I expand a little bit more on the thinking layer, it
Yeah.
identify anomalies and even trigger autonomous decision making in real time. Acom platform comes prepackaged with the industry accelerators, which includes ready to deploy templates, workflows, connectors for industries like supply chain, including textiles, retail, which drastically reduces time to value. It's a low code, no code platform, which means that not that tech savvy users can also come up with complex workflows, including which involves traditional applications as well as might involve AI agents and chatbots as well. And last but not the least, what Donovan also mentioned is complete observability, traceability, right? By that, what we mean is as the communications is happening, the data is getting exchanged between various participants in a workflow, be it traditional applications or chatbots or AI agents, right? There has to be complete transparency in what data is getting exchanged, what decisions are being made. So that is what the platform provides out of the box. In short, Ecom doesn't just move data, it thinks, learns, and reacts, driving operational resilience and smarter decision making.
Quite impressive. So thanks for this intro on the platform. Now, based on what Donovan shared,
Yeah.
how did your team go about solving Glenn Raven's integration challenges?
Yeah. So our engagement began with understanding the current state architecture and identifying the points of friction, especially where manual interventions were required or there were data blind spots, right? Across various applications like ERP, OMS, WMS. We then deployed ACOM's cloud native integration fabric and established real time synchronization across, uh, various applications, including planning applications, fulfillment applications, e-commerce applications. We leveraged our pre-built adopters to accelerate the overall implementation and reduce the time to value. And the ACOM's thinking layer that played a significant role in automating exception management, right? And also the workflow orchestration. It resulted in automation at scale, and that allowed the Glenware planners to react proactively before any issue impact the customer experience.
Yeah, that's great. I love when I hear automation at scale. I'm a
Yeah.
big automation guy, and this is obviously, freeing up some time for people to go do other things. We'll talk about that, but this is absolutely key.